This is a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 120 equipped with a 3-liter 1kd diesel engine. And after a cold start, it likes to whistle. What is this noise? A pulley? A trapped whistling parrot? Or a whistling midget creature living under the car? None of these. This beautiful noise is caused by the exhaust, because there is a slight exhaust leak. There are 3 exhaust gaskets in total, so for a not informed person it can be hard to pinpoint the victim. Now it seems like the noise comes from the middle. But now it seems like it's coming specifically from this area, from the last exhaust gasket. But don't be fooled, because the victim is the middle exhaust gasket. So let's replace it. After lifting the right side of the car, you get a good access to the middle part of the exhaust. Don't be distracted by this metallic bracket. This is custom made, so on other cars it's not there. To remove the gasket, you will have to remove the 2 bolts with the metallic springs. These are 14mm bolts. After removing the bolts, you will have to unhook the exhaust from this rubber exhaust hanger. It's not that easy, so I used a small crowbar. By the way, you should definitely unhook the exhaust from the other hanger too to gain more space. Since I left the other hanger in place, I had to put something between the 2 exhaust parts to widen and maintain the gap. After this, you can remove the old gasket. As you can see, this one is heavily disintegrating, so I had to use a combination of scientifically proven removal methods. On the old gasket you can even see a darker spot, which actually even looks like an exhaust leak. Next, clean the mating surface of the exhaust as much as you can. Wire brush, sandpaper, use whatever you have. But I have to emphasize again that you really should remove both exhaust hangers, because using a metallic piece of socket to push the exhaust away is not a good idea, since the 2 sides of the exhaust can suddenly pop back in place, squeezing whatever is between them. After a brief cleaning, I positioned the new gasket in place and torqued the bolts to 43 Nm, according to the service manual. And the whistle is gone.